सर इकड़े ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಪ್ಪ ಅವರು ಎಫ್ಕೆ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ
ಗಂಧದ ಚಂದದ ಹೊನ್ನಿನ ಗಣಿಯೇ ರಾಘವ ಮಧುಸೂದನರವತರಿಸಿದ ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನುಜಾತೆ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ ಜನನಿಯ ಜೋಗುಳವೇ
It may be earthquake, tornado, fire, or tsunami, volcano. Many kind of disasters are being taken place throughout the world. In the month of December 2024, you might have seen the fire spread throughout the film city, that is in Chicago. That is Hollywood, and everything is burnt and nothing left there. Even though US Army tried to shut off the fire by using army helicopters and the fire vehicles were also used, they were not able to control the fire. I have seen the videos in the YouTube, in the especially first post website. Nothing remained. Even it is a car, we cannot see the piece of the car. That was the position, and we are getting reverse gift from the nature, because we have destroyed the nature for our own selfishness, and we are getting reverse gift from the nature. You might have seen about few days back there was a earthquake in the Thailand, Myanmar, and other neighboring countries. And even we are also getting frequent earthquakes in the Himalayan range. Within 1 or 2 days, we are getting the news of earthquake in any part of the world. These are because of the misdeeds of a man who has destroyed the world. Even very recently you might have seen or you might have heard that in Arab countries there was heavy rainfall, and in China also there was heavy rainfall, and everything washed away, and many cars went in the water, and many structures were demolished, and man is unable to control the natural disasters. Day before yesterday, we might have seen one cloud burst in the Jammu and Kashmir at Ramdan district, and at least 5 people died, and many building structures were collapsed down, and many vehicles were dumped in the mud, and the hill collapsed from the top, fallen on the buildings, and national highway also collapsed down. These are the many events. About 2-3 years back, you might have seen or heard about the fire in the Australian forest. Volcano is very active in many parts of the world, especially in Hawaii countries, and our Himalayan ranges, Himalayan plate, are moving slowly, and it will lead to many earthquakes or earthquake of 9.5 magnitude, and there are chances of causing more deaths. We are facing all these problems by sitting outside or by sleeping outside, because we will get natural sleep, oxygen, but it is not possible when we sleep or sit inside the house. We have to take many steps. We have to at least grow 10 trees by a person every year. Then Indian population is 100 crore. Then there will be 1,000 crore trees every year, and we can maintain the ecological balance. Otherwise, we may face many disasters which we might have not seen, and we may not see the rainfall also, and we may face the drought situation, and there will be rise of prices of the food grains, and we will face so many difficulties in future. So we should take care of the nature, then the nature will take care of us, because everything has given by the nature itself, and we should give the same thing to the nature also. But we are spoiling the nature by using the plastic. About 1 week back, I had gone on tour, to Kerala and Tamil Nadu, where the plastic is completely banned, and they are very sensitive people. They are not throwing the plastic everywhere like us in Karnataka. They are maintaining good environment in their states, and we have to learn a lot of things from our neighbor states. We should take care of nature, and every day we have to plant 1 or 2 trees, and planting is easy, but we should take care of the plants for 4-5 years, and we will get its result within 5-10 years. So I think you will take care of plants because you are the citizens of India, and you have to take care of our nature and our country, and I hope that you will love the nature and grow the trees, more trees. Then the celebration of this function will be.
Thank you, sir. Refuse, reduce, reuse, recycle and recover to minimize waste and conserve resource. This approach